Hey shoppers. I think I'm gonna be the Mel Queen. I love Mel basically for almost like everything to clean. And right now I'm just um, a friend of mine. I'm cleaning some of her panels, and they have like a mold and stuff from just being in storage. And you're just gonna dump it into the Mel bucket, and it's just gonna get rid of all that mold. How do you like that? How do you like that? So those are going to go over there. So those are the legs. And as you can see here, I just did this panel here. Looks lovely. And then this one is the one that needs to be done. So Solumel is not going to damage anything. And as you can hear, my little birdies in the background. It's okay for them to be around. My hand was just in Solumel. And if he accidentally, got some of it on him or anything like that, he'd be okay. And so would little Lily, who's just flying over there. Yeah, so it's all good, when you're cleaning with Solumel. I love this new lavender one. It probably may only be out for a limited time, but it smells really great. So anyhow, 101 uses. Solumel shoppers, love it. Bye for now.